Table Notes. Mobile Excel is an Android application designed to provide users with robust spreadsheet management and note-taking capabilities on their mobile devices. This app allows individuals to create, edit, and organize tables and spreadsheets efficiently, making it ideal for tasks such as budgeting, project management, and data analysis. The application typically features a user-friendly interface that mimics traditional spreadsheet layouts, including options for formulas, cell formatting, and data manipulation. Users can easily input data, perform calculations, and visualize information with charts and graphs. In addition to standard spreadsheet functions, Table Notes often incorporates note-taking features, enabling users to add comments, reminders, and annotations alongside their data. This dual functionality makes the app particularly useful for professionals, students, and anyone needing to manage information effectively. Overall, Table Notes Mobile Excel offers a convenient solution for users seeking a powerful and versatile spreadsheet tool on their Android devices, combining functionality with accessibility for comprehensive data management.